Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. This is Venkata Bhaskar. In previous session, we saw how to create a directory and how I can create multiple directories, and we saw some example. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain how I can create the directories. The same how if you know how to create a directory, the removal of directory is very easy, and we have some few options. While removing, we have some few options. We will see. Okay, remove directories. While in the case of remove directory, we have two commands, remove directory and rm. If you see here, this is rm directory, rmdir command, and this is one more rm command, removal. This is a removal directory. The name indicates only we can use only for the directories. Here there is no indication, so that means this remove command is used for to delete a file or to delete a directory. Okay, if I want to create a single directory, how I can do? If I want to create multiple, how I can do? Both we can see. I'm going to the desktop. Yeah, my terminal is open already. Okay, uh, just me check. I'm doing the ls command. Okay, I have here few directories, right? So the first command, rm dir space, I want to provide a file name. Okay, so our directory name. Okay, so dir1. Okay, I deleted. So if you see here ls command, see directory 1 is not exist, right? So now I'm trying to delete test2. Okay, test2. If you see here, sorry, command is wrong, is it deleted? Okay, now what I will do is, now remove directory, right? Only you can delete only the directories, not the files. Okay, try the file for rmdir. I'm typing abc.txt. see here the file is exist, abc.txt. When I enter, immediately it will throw error, failed to remove abc.txt. that means it is not a directory. Okay, that's why remove directory is not that much useful. Soon we will use only the rm command. Rm command, we have a lot of advantages. Okay, now if I want to create delete multiple, so how I can do? Rm dir. Now I need to provide directory 2, and I need to remove directory 3, I need to remove directory 4. Okay, if you immediately enter, see all directories are deleted, ls command. If you see here, no directories are there, so all directories are deleted, right? Just I'm clearing the screen. So you can type the clear, or you can use control L, it will clear the screen. Okay, freshly we can start again. Now you are comfortable rmdir, right? Rm, when we need to use, if you want to delete a file or a directory, you can both you can use. The question is, okay, cd dar file, I'm going inside here, any directories are exist? Yes. If you see here, inside directory 5, I have a directory and directory 6. So now I'm trying to delete rmdir directory 5. So what will happen, we'll see. See, failed to remove directory 5, directory not empty. That means this command only used for to remove an empty directory. Okay, please remember this point. Now I'm using rm command. Rm means you can remove both. If I use directory 5, still is a directory, is it asking? So whenever you are using rm command, you need to use r, that means recursive, either small r or capital R, anything. If I use here, see, you can ls command, see this directory is deleted. So please remember, we will use every time rm command only, rm hyphen r directory 5. In that case, r is nothing but a recursive. Okay, now you know the difference between rmdir and rm. Rmdir is used to delete an empty directories, whereas rm command is used to delete subdirectories you can delete empty directories and you can delete files, right? This is the uses of the rm command. Now if I go for the ppt, okay, now you know single directory you deleted. Now I want to delete multiple directories. How I can delete this multiple directories? So you saw already this command we used, where I can provide input rm abc.txt abc1 txt directory. I can delete this one. This is the multiple you can delete. So hyphen use hyphen r. See, it is deleted. ls command. Okay, we have 4 things. Now we'll see some few options. Now I'm going to insert the week folder. Okay, we have Monday, Friday, Tuesday, right? Now if I want to delete only Sunday and Saturday, how I can do? Please help me. Hyphen r. So I can provide values here, Saturday comma Sunday. See what will happen, and do ls command. See, directories are deleted, right? Now we can see one more. Now I'm navigating to the Monday folder, ls command. Okay, just do ls command. So I'm clearing the screen. See, here we can do some few things. Now I want to delete this particular log file ending with 2020. I want to remove all the files. How I can give? 2-3 ways we can do. There is one approach you can use. This is a log file. Okay, log, then I can enter the star. If you give here star is a wildcard parameter, star indicates means all, whichever the file starting with 2020, all files will be deleted. Now enter. See, do the ls command. See, all files are removed. Now I'm navigating to different folder, cd. I'm going to the Tuesday. In this folder I'm going. Okay, we can see few more things here. Okay, now how to remove a directory by using rm command. Now you know we have some options, right? If you go for ppt, if you see here 3 types of options we have. One is for interactive and force removal and verbose options. Okay, we created a week folder, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. In each day we have 24 log files, right? Interactive in the sense it will ask the confirmation. Do I need to delete this particular file? It will ask a confirmation. Okay, that indicates I. Okay, it will ask confirmation. Force removal means whether the directories exist or not, it doesn't matter. It will, without asking anything, forcefully it will be removed. Okay, verbose options. If you are trying to delete 100 files, the sequence of steps which file is deleting, it will show the sequence. That is verbose. These 3 options we will see. Okay, now I'm here. First is interactive mode. Interactive means what I said, confirmation it will ask, right? Now rm command. Now log, I'm deleting this file. Okay, rm, just copy paste this particular file. Okay, so this is a file, right? What is happen? Deleted. Now what option I need to append here? Hyphen I. If I given I is an option, then it will ask the confirmation. So this file is already deleted, right? So I can use 3. Next folder. See, remove a regular empty file. So it is asking, type yes. If you enter ls command, search with 373 ending with anywhere is available? No, it's not available. So what I will do, same command I'm removing -n. Now enter. See what is happening here? It is throwing an exception message to the user. So I don't want to throw any exception. Then how I can do this part? So simply use -f. That means a force removal of a file. See, whether the file is exist or not, it doesn't matter. Just it will create the forcefully you can remove the file. Okay, there is one more verbose option, right? -v. What I will do, -v, right? I'm navigating to my parent directory, cd and cd. Okay, I want to delete this weak folder, right? How I can delete? rm. This time I will use the sequence. Okay, -v. If in your directory, if any subdirectories exist, you need to use a recursive, right? Then you can use r command, then weak folder. Okay, what will happen? Just check. See which directory is creating. See sequence of steps, which directory is deleted. See, removed. So all options it is displaying on the terminal itself. Now you are very good to understand at how to create a directory with a use case. Now how I can remove the directory. So in next tutorial we will see some more commands. Thank you guys.